In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google and make use of Great Notion support services, a process that will surely enhance your productivity and organizational skills. So let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and look up Notion. Simply type Notion into the search bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of results, and from these, you'll want to select the one that takes you to Notion's official website. By clicking on this link, you'll open up the homepage, where you can access a range of features offered by Notion. Once the homepage is loaded, look for the option that says Login. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to begin the login process. If you don't have an existing account, you might want to take a moment to sign up by following the simple instructions provided on the screen. If you do have an account, just enter your login details and gain access to your Notion dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to see an option to Add New, which is typically used to start a new project or document. Click on this option. You will then be prompted to create a new page or entry. For the purposes of demonstration, let's select Empty Database to start from scratch. This will give you a blank canvas to work with. Now that your empty database is set up, the next step is to add new data. Click on the designated area to input the content you wish to include. You can treat this as a spreadsheet where rows and columns can be customized to your liking. To enhance your data management, it's often useful to add properties that can help structure your content better. Click on Add Property and look for the property named ID. This is where you have the opportunity to organize your entries with identifiers that make tracking simpler. When adding data, ensure that the first entry is marked as 1. This initial setup ensures that Notion will automatically assign a serial number to any future entries you make, maintaining order efficiently. A useful tip to remember: the ID property can be moved as per your preference. You can click and drag this ID column to rearrange your database layout. This feature offers more control over how you want your information to be presented, allowing you to tailor your workspace for optimal convenience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just set up a streamlined system within Notion that not only organizes your ideas and projects, but does so in a manner that's both efficient and easy to navigate. Happy organizing!